In terms of elegance and innovation, the 2025 Prevost RVs represent the height of mobile life. These motor coaches, which are constructed on the well-known Prevost H3-45 chassis, provide unmatched comfort, state-of-the-art technology, and superb craftsmanship. Luxury and personalization in the interior. Every 2025 Prevost RV is custom-built to the owner's specifications. The Featherlite Coaches Kapalua model, for example, has a California king bed, quartz worktops, and unique Legno Bastone hardwood flooring. Its salon features a handcrafted leather diamond headboard, Sonos surround sound, and Sony Bravia OLED TVs. Likewise, the 2025 Epic Motor Coach number 6717 has a Jack and Jill bathroom, a walk-in wardrobe, and a King Master Suite. Solid surface counters and walnut laminate cabinetry adorn its inside, creating a cozy and sophisticated atmosphere. Features including $20,000 leather seats, a 65-inch retractable TV, 2 kitchens, and a master bedroom with a king-size bed and a 50-inch TV make the Lucky Coach Prevost stand out for those looking for luxury. Its cutting-edge power system, which consists of solar panels and lithium batteries, guarantees up to a week of off-grid operation. Technology and performance. The Volvo D13 engine and Allison 4000 MH or B500 series transmission power Prevost motor coaches, providing a combination of strength, economy, and longevity. The 2025 models have an aerodynamic external design that makes the ride quieter and smoother while increasing fuel efficiency by up to 12% and lowering wind noise. Modern technology is essential to these RVs. The Featherlite Coaches Kapalua model includes a 20-kilowatt generator that is enclosed in a hush box for silent operation, a Gen 2 intuitive coach control system, and Starlink high-performance internet. Travelers can use the Level 2 EV charging station on the LOKI Coach Prevost to charge their electric cars while they're on the road. Value of investment and resale. Even though a 2025 Prevost motorhome requires a sizable upfront payment, these cars maintain their worth quite well. When it's time to sell or trade in, owners may anticipate a great return on investment because to their longevity and a century-long reputation for quality. In conclusion, the 2025 Prevost RVs are the pinnacle of luxury travel, combining custom design, cutting-edge technology, and outstanding performance in a harmonious way. Prevost offers an unmatched experience on the road. Whether you're looking for a high-performance car that meets all of your needs or a mobile home that rivals a 5-star hotel,